Makinig po na, briefing muna tayo. 2 minutes lang ha, 2 minutes. Yan lang po ng oras, mga 2 minutes lang. So first, yan po yung K-roll. Part po siya ng land tour. Pag nag-land tour kayo, mapupuntahan niyo po yan. Isang stop ng land tour. So K-roll, Boracay K-roll. So yun. Good morning guys, kumain naman lahat? Bye, hep hep!
Hooray!
Walang kain. Hep hep!
Hooray!
Thank you guys. So good morning. Welcome sa Bamboo Travel and Tour. I'm Ben. I'm your guide for the whole day. So yun. Name of our boat is LMG1. Nasa baba. Later don't come up with another boat. Huwag natin kalimutan yung pangalan ng boat ha. Kasi minsan may umakit sa ibang boat. So dahil mag-isa lang ako for the whole day, remember natin, name of our boat is LMG1. LMG1. LMG tsaka 1 ma'am. So don't forget it. Kalimutan nyo lang ako, huwag yung boat natin ha. Okay guys, right now the weather's not perfectly good. So may low pressure tayong papasok. So that's why, sad to say, we don't have a Poca Beach for today's tour. Poca Beach, you can go there for land tour by e-trike. But for the water, by water, it's not allowed. The water is too strong there. So we are not safety. Hindi tayo safety ngayon doon. So for your safety, we choose Iligan Beach, yung side na yon. Magkatabi lang po yan sila sa kabila yung Poca Beach. Iligan Beach. So yun, our first drop, our time is in there is just 30 minutes limited. This one is full day tour. So pag drop, things you can do there, you can go there for swimming. Swimming, that is public beach, and then hindi masyadong maalon doon ngayon. Dahil tago tayo, habagat yung hangin. So yun, swimming, and then there's some sand castle yung ginagawa for your souvenir. May date po yun. For your souvenir, you can go there for take picture, photo shoot with your sand castle. And then this one, who knows this one? Sino nakagawa na nito? Wala pa. This one is famous here in Iligan Beach. So this one is crystal kayak. So photo shoot with choreographer and photographer. May choreographer kayong tagaturo ng mga pose nyo. So this one is good for 1, 2, 3. Capacity 3 person. So photo shoot, unlimited shot. And then the price of this one, local price tayo, friendly price, local price, magkaiba yung sa ibang lahi. So 200 for 1 person. This one is not included in our tour ha, optional po siya. I'm just recommend this one for your souvenir, for those wanna go this one. Okay, optional activities po siya. So 200 local price. If we go there, you can go this one because our time is just 30 minutes. So kung sino yung may gusto nito, pag-drop doon, gagawin natin to para hindi tayo madilit sa oras. So that's it, our first stop. And then after that, our second stop is Crocodile Island. Punos Crocodile Island, the private sanctuary beach island, Boracay Sanctuary. So you can go there for snorkeling. Doon yung maraming isda, different kind of fishes, and then a lot of corals. So yun, may mga nemo po doon. That is sanctuary. That's why Crocodile Island, may buhaya doon. But that crocodile is good. Hindi siya nangangagat, naninikit lang. So on that place, we have an optional payment for 100 for 1 person. If we gonna go down for snorkeling, we must pay 100 for 1 person. So from us, we have a snorkeling gear for free. We will give that one for those wanna go in and then explore underwater. So that's it. Our time is 30 minutes again. So if we go down for to explore underwater, you must go there and then pay their environmental payment for 100 for 1 person. So that's it guys. Remind ko lang ha, 100 for 1 person optional. Yung hindi bababa, 200. Just kidding, joke lang po. So that's it, 30 minutes again. And then for the third one, maybe gutom na kayo nun. So we can expect our lunch time. Lunch natin is on mainland, not here in Boracay, mainland. Sa part po siya ng Katiklan municipality. So doon po yung lunch buffet natin. And then that one is included in our tour. We paid it already. So that's it. I don't give you a time limit there. Dahil pagkain po yun. Baka mapulunan tayo. So that's it. Enjoy your food and then take your time. Ako magkocontrol ng oras. After natin kumain, balik tayo sa boat. Kasama nyo ako palagi. Hindi lang sa pagkain. Kayo lang kumain. So that's it. After natin kumain, may hot kawa doon. Yung kawaling malaki. Sir, they gonna make you a soup there. Lulutuin kayo. Soup number 5. Yeah, lulutuin kayo. That one is included. May apoy sa paligid and then pipicturean kayo ng photographer. And then that one is included in our tour. May apoy yun. Prop lang yun. Hindi siya kumukulo ha. So that's it. After that, we gonna go back for our to our boat. And then we have a last stop. The Crystal Cove Island. Sa mga 90s dyan, alam niyo yung Crystal Cove Island, doon yung shooting ng Jezebel sa Marina. Until now, nandun pa yung tayo ni Dugong. So that's it. The main attraction of that island is their underground cave, 2 underground cave. So sa Crystal Cove Island, that is private. If we gonna go in, we gonna go down for the underground cave for swimming. Doon walang alon, and then lagoon po yun, nasa loob ng cave. And then that one is private island. Someone owned that island. So that's why we must expect their entrance fee. So dahil ginastusan nyo yung island, may entrance po yun. Optional, mura lang, 300 per one person. So hindi siya necessary na paano, hindi ko kayo pinipilit na pumasok. That is part of your tour. If you spend money, that is yours. Sabi nga ni Singson, money is not yours if you don't spend it. Sarot lang. Sabi niya, pag hindi mo na ginastos, hindi sa'yo yung pera. Tama po ba? Mali yata. Okay, that's it. That one is our last stop. So our time is 1 hour. So after that, babalik tayo sa hotel para magpahinga. Then kung may mga activities pa kayo, magagawa po natin. So that's it. Sino yung may helmet diving? 2 person, ha? Helmet diving. 2 din. 3 kayo. So 5. ATV, yung mental, ATV. Ilan po tayo, ma'am? ATV, yung motor sa bundok, wala dyan. Helicopter. Charot lang. ATV sa helmet diving. So that's it. Sa lunch place na rin, mag-uusap tayo kung paano
Diving.
i-set after our tour, okay? So yun, that's it. Estimated time around 2:30 or 3 p.m. we're done. Hope ma-enjoy natin yung tour kahit masama yung panahon, and then God bless natin. Thank you. Thank you guys. Hey babe! Thank you. Sino yung gusto ng Crystal Kayak? We gonna list your name. Dahil pagdating doon, limit lang yung oras natin. Ibibigay ko sa association mga photographer. Para ibabalik nila tayo sa amin. Mahaba yun. Pilipino yung sabi ng 30 minutes lang. Alam ka na yan. At sa Pilipino, alam na.
Bastos to si Daddy.
Yung kaya ka doon kay magbayad sa kanila, after nila kayo picturean. Check mo muna yung buha if you're good or not.